Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. We are going to start the second part of exercise 2D, book 2. That is question number 11. Before we start the video, please, if you like my videos, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Question number 11 is: a polar bear and a giant panda reside in a zoo. The sum of their ages in 2013 was 11 years. So let in 2013, let age of polar bear that is equal to x, and age of a giant panda that is equal to y. So x plus y equal to 11 years. Sum of their ages was 11 as per the condition of the question. In 2022 means that after 9 years, if you count it, 2020, 2013, 2014, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 21, 22. So these are 9 years. So it means it is asking that in 2022, mean after 9 years, polar bear will be 3 times as old. So after 9 years mean that x plus 9, this is polar bear's age after 9 years. He will be 3 times the age of the giant panda, 3 times y. So this was equation number 1, and this is first arrange it: minus 3y equal to minus 9. So now solve equation 1 and 2. X plus y equal to 11, minus 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 cancel, minus 4y equal to minus 20, and y will be equal to minus 20 over minus 4. 4 5 is 20, that is y equal to 5, and put value of y in equation number 1. So x plus 5 equal to 11, and x equal to 11 minus 5, which is equal to 6 years. So x is polar bear age. So age of polar bear, actually this is age of polar bear in 2013. So he asked in the question, it is asked that tell the age in 2014. So for 2014, age will be 6 plus 1, which is 7 years. So age of polar bear was in 2000, that is equal to 7 years. And for giant panda, age of giant panda, that is equal to y equal to 5. Actually we need to find in 2014. So that will be equal to 5 plus 1 equal to 6 years. So next question is question number 12. Question 12. 6 adults and 4 senior citizens have to pay $228, while 13 adults and 7 senior citizens have to pay $459 to visit an exhibition at museum. Find the total amount 2 adult and a senior citizen have to pay to visit the exhibition. So now let the ticket for one adult equal to X and ticket price for a senior citizen equal to Y dollar. So we suppose that let exhibition ticket uh, or museum ticket, we can write museum ticket for one adult, that is equal to $X, and a ticket for one senior citizen, that is equal to Y dollar. So for 6 adults plus 4 seniors, they have to pay $228, while 13 adults, 13X plus 7 seniors plus 7Y, that is equal to, they have to pay $459. So we have set of simultaneous equation, we need to solve it. So suppose this is equation number 1 and this is 2. To eliminate y, we need to multiply this equation by 7 and this by 4. So multiply equation 1 by 7 and equation 2 by 4. So 7 into 6, 42, 42x plus 28y equal to 228 into 7, that is equal to 1596, which is dollar actually. Now multiply equation 2 by 4, 52x plus 28y equal to 459 multiplied by 4, 1836, and now subtracting minus for eliminating this term, we change the sign, and minus 10x equal to which is minus 240, and x will be equal to minus 240 over minus 10, minus cancel, x equal to 24, which was the ticket price for one adult. So for 2 adults it will be 48 as it is asked in the question. And find the value of y. Put x equal to 24 in equation number 1. This is equation number 1. So 6 into 24 plus 4y equal to 228. So 4y, that is equal to 228 minus multiply 24 by 6, 24 into 6 minus 144. So that is equal to minus 84. plus 84, and divide by 4, and y will be equal to, y is equal to 21. So it means it is asked the two adults, find the total amount for two adults, which is 48, and for one senior, which is 21. So 48 and 21 is answer. Sorry, it is asked that the find the total amount for two adults and a senior citizen. So two adults, 48 plus 21, that is $69. $69 is the answer for the total price. Now question 13 is, Nadia intends to buy either gift A, which cost $10, or gift B, which cost $8, as a Christmas gifts for each of her parents, mean parents, two siblings, 13 relatives, and 10 friends. So total number of gifts, gift type A and gift type B, total are parents 2 and 4 and 13, 19, 2 and 13, 15 and 10, 25, and 2 parents, 27. Given that she intends to spend 230, so total amount she will spend, that is 230. Find the number of each gift she should buy. So number of gift type A and gift type B. So we need to calculate the number of gifts. So question number 13. Let number of A type gift A type, that is equal to X, and number of gifts B, that is equal to Y. So total gift she need to buy X plus Y equal to for 27 people. So this is equation number 1. And price for gift A type, which is 10. So it means 10x. For gift B, one gift price is $8. So 8y, the amount total she has with her, that is $230. So we have set of simultaneous equations. Now solve the equation. For example, we can multiply equation number 1 by 10. So 10x plus 10y equal to 270. Subtracting, so this is cancelled. So 8 minus 10 minus 2y equal to minus 40, and y equal to minus 40 over minus 2, that is equal to y equal to 20. And put value of y in equation number 1, x plus 20 equal to 27, and x will be equal to 7. So what was a number of gifts A? So gifts A is 7 and B type gift are 20. So you can see that if we make add these two gifts, that is 27 for 27 people. So this is the answer. So next question number 14 is, there are some chickens and goats on a farm. Given that animals have a total of 50 heads and 140 legs, how many more chicken than goats are there? So chicken plus goats, 50 head mean that the number of chicken plus goats, let this is number of chicken, this is number of goats, that total is 50 head mean that total are 50, and 140 legs. How many more chicken than goats are there? So chicken has 2 legs and goat has 4 legs. So we can see that one relationship that chicken has 2 legs, so 2c plus 4 legs, goat has 4 legs, 4g, that is equal to 140. So legs into number of goats, so we will multiply this with 2, and number of goats plus its into its legs, so that is equal to total legs are 140. So this is equation number 1, and this one is equation number 2. We can multiply equation 1 by 2, so 2c plus 2g equal to 100. So subtracting, cancelled, 4 minus 2 is 2g equal to 40 and g equal to 20, and put value of g in equation number 1. C plus 20 equal to 50, so c equal to 50 minus 20, which is equal to 30. So c was number of chicken and g was number of goats. So it means chickens are 30 minus 2. I mean that 10 more chicken. There are 10 more chickens. So in numbers 10 chicken are more there. So question number 15 is $80 is divided between Bernard and Cheryl. So Bernard plus Cheryl receive $80, such that 1/4 of Bernard share, this is Bernard, that is B, 1/4 of Bernard share equal to 1/6 of Cheryl share, 1/6 of Cheryl share. So this is equation number 1, and we can arrange this one, that is by cross multiplying. 6b equal to 4c, 6b minus 4c equal to 0. So dividing both terms by 2, 3b minus 2c equal to 0, because we can divide on both sides by the 2, because 2 is common here. So this is the in simplest form equation. So now if we multiply equation 1 by 2 to eliminate c, and so equation 1 multiplied by 2, this will be 2b and plus 2c equal to $160. So adding, this is 5b and that is $160, and Bernard $160 over 5, that is equal to $5, 3 are 15, 5 2 are 10. Bernard received 32, and put 32 in equation number 1. So 32 plus c equal to $80, and c is equal to $80 minus this is dollar, also write dollar with 32. So c, that is equal to 48. How much does each of them? So Bernard will receive 32 and Cheryl 48. This is the answer. Question number 16 is Wasim deposited a total of $25,000 in Bank A and Bank B at the beginning of 2020. Bank A and Bank B pay simple interest at rate of 0.66% and 0.65% per annum respectively. He withdrew all his money from the two banks at the end of 2020. If he earned the same amount of interest from each bank, find the amount of money he deposited in each bank. So question number 16 is, let the amount deposited in bank A is A and in bank B is B. Let A amount deposited in bank A and B is the amount deposited in bank B. Or I can write here, let amount deposited in bank A is A and amount deposited in bank B is B, then total amount A plus B, that is equal to $25,000, which is deposited in both banks, and interest rate 0.6% and 0.65 per annum respectively, and this amount of interest is equal. If we earn the same amount of interest from each bank, so it means that 0.6% of A equal to 0.65% B. Amount of interest received from both bank, that is equal. So it means 0.60, or we can write 0, and 0.65 of B, they are equal. So it means 60 over 100 A and 65 over 100 B. Multiplying both sides by 100 will be cancelled. So it means 60 A equal to 65 B. So just if we multiply by 100 both sides, so this is cancelled. So 60A equal to 65. Now we can divide with 5 both sides. So this will be 12A, this will be 13B, and 12A minus 13B, that is equal to 0. So now we have equation A plus B, which was equation number 1. We have a set of simultaneous equations, equation 1 and this is equation 2. So we need to find the value of A, which is amount deposited in bank A. That is needed to be calculated the amount deposited in bank A and amount deposited in bank B. So now we multiply equation 1 by 12 and solve with equation number 2. So multiply equation 1 by 12. 12A plus 12B, that is equal to 25,000 into 12. Three zero zero 000. So now subtract, this is cancelled, minus 25B, that is equal to minus 300,000, minus cancel, and B is equal to 300,000 divided by 25, 12000. This is B, amount deposited in bank B, and if we put this value in 1, we will get the A, that is amount deposited in bank A, that will be $13,000. This is also dollar. So this was the answer. Now question number 17 is, if 1 is subtracted from the numerator and from the denominator of a fraction, So let we assume that fraction is, let the fraction is x over y, and now as per the condition, if 1 is subtracted x minus 1 and y minus 1, the value obtained is 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 2. If 1 is added to its numerator and to its denominator, the result is value the resulting value is 2 by 3. So let first we arrange this one, that is equal to 2 into x minus 1 equal to 1 into 1 minus 1. So 2x minus 2 y minus 1, 2x minus y equal to minus 1 plus 2. So 2x minus y equal to 1. This is equation 1. Actually, if we see all the question in this exercise, we are I mean making the simultaneous equations, set of equations. So one equation is this one, and other as per condition that if we add 1 to numerator as well as denominator, the result is 2 by 3. So now we arrange also this one, we will get the other equation. So 3x plus 1 equal to 2 y plus 1, 3x plus 3 equal to 2y plus 2, 3x minus 2y equal to minus 1. So this is equation number 2. Now if we multiply equation number 1 to make the coefficient of y equal, so it means multiply equation 1 by 2. So this will be 4x minus 2y equal to 2 1s are 2. So by adding, we will by subtracting, this its sign will be changed, minus minus. So this is minus x equal to minus 3, and x equal to 3, x equal to 3. And if we put x equal to 3 in equation number 1, so we can get the value of y. So this is equation number 1, put value of x equal to 3. So 2 into 3 minus y equal to 1. So minus y equal to 1 minus 6, this is 6, and minus y equal to minus 5, minus cancel, y equal to 5, and x we already found 3, and he has asked find the fraction. So we suppose the fraction was x by y, fraction is 3 by 5. So this is the answer. Now question number 18 is, two numbers are such that when the larger number is divided by the smaller number, both the quotient and the remainder are equal to 2. For example, if we have two number, for example 25 and 4. So if we divide the larger number by smaller number, 4 6 are 24, and this is 1. So this is quotient and this is remainder, and the larger number was 25. So 25 we can write 25 equal to quotient into multiply this smaller number into quotient, that is 6, and plus 1. So mean larger number will be equal to smaller number into quotient plus remainder. So it means that we write, there is a relationship between the two numbers when we divide the number. The same thing is here, that in the question, two numbers are such that when the larger number is divided by the smaller number, so larger number will be equal to, larger number is equal to uh, quotient and remainder are 2. So quotient is 2, 2 into smaller number, like we wrote here quotient into quotient into smaller number. Similarly here, uh, s into t, s is a number, smaller number into quotient, mean that multiply quotient by smaller number and plus 2, plus 2 which is remainder. In the question it is told that remainder is equal to 2, so we wrote the larger number, which is equal to the quotient, a smaller number into quotient plus remainder. This is equation number 1. And next it is told that if 5 times the smaller number is divided by the larger number, so 5 times a smaller number, it means now 5s divided by the larger number, this is a larger number, again quotient, and this is quotient 2, quotient and remainder the 2. So we wrote here remainder, this was quotient, so number multiplied by quotient. So this is equation number, or we can arrange first, or this is equation number 2, we can write that L. So I'm explaining again using the fact that when two numbers are divided, we can write the larger number equal to smaller number, which is smaller number into quotient plus remainder. Similarly, here it is told that the quotient and remainder are 2, so larger number equal to that is quotient into smaller number plus 2, which is remainder. Here the number now if we multiply smaller number by 5, that is equal to I mean that the quotient is 2 here into larger L plus 2. So we can arrange the equations L minus 2s equal to 2, and here minus 2L plus 5s equal to 2. So multiply equation number, for example, now we write this is equation number 1 and this is 2. So multiply equation number 1 by 2, so 2L minus 4s equal to 4, and write, copy this equation 2 as it is, plus 5s equal to 2, adding this will be cancelled, so this is 1s equal to 6, s equal to 6. Now put value of s in equation number 1, so L minus 2 into 6 equal to 2, L equal to 2 plus 12 equal to 14. So two numbers are 6 and 14. This is the answer. Now question number 19 is question 19. That is, Raju has $10 with him. If he buys 8 pears and 5 mangoes, he will be shorter of $1.10. If he buys 5 pears and 4 mangoes, he will receive 1.75 in change. Find the price of each fruit. So 8 pears and 5 mangoes. So let price of 1 pear is x, and for 8 pears is 8x. Price of 1 pear x, for 8 pears 8x, and for 1 mango y, and for 5 mangoes 5y. So if he buys 8 pears and 5 mangoes, he will be short of, so it means the price is actually uh, $11.10, because he has shortage of $1.10. So actual price is no, not 10 but $11, 11.10. So this is equation number 1. Next is if he buys 5 pears and 4 mangoes. If he buys 5 pears and 4 mangoes, now he will get extra amount as a change, 1.75. So it means in this case the price is equal to $10 minus 1.75, which he receive as a change. So now the price is actually 8.25. So now we have the set of equations or simultaneous equations. We need to solve whichever method you think is better. So it means if we want to eliminate, for example, y, we will multiply equation 1 by 4 and equation 2 by 5. So multiply equation 1 by 4 and equation 2 by 5. So equation 1, that is 32x 20y equal to $, that is 44 minus 40, and now equation 2 by 5, 25x plus 20y equal to $, 8.25 into 5, 41.25, 41.25. So minus cancelled. So this is equal to 7x equal to 3.15, and x is equal to 3.15 equal to divided by 7, 0.45. So x, which was price of 1 pear, and put value of x in equation number 1, put value of x in equation 1. So 8 into 0.45 plus 5y equal to $11.10. So 5y, this is 8 into 8, 3.6 equal to $11.10. By the way, this is also dollar. So 5y equal to $11.10 minus $3.6, which is equal to 7.5, and y is equal to divided by 5, 1.5, $1.5. So answer for pear and answer for mango. Mango 1.5 and pear 0.45 we calculated here.